Alright, guys, so let's continue. We already got this app working, and by the way, let's try this if you haven't seen my previous video. Okay, and I believe it's work best when you actually run that on a physical device, or you will have some sort of like weird bug. I don't know why. I'm still trying to figure out. So, for example, if I start recording, and we can click stop recording or like a render text and fail that. Maybe it's internet error domain. But when I test on my phone, it works well. So maybe it's an internet connection or something. And I demonstrate that in my my previous video using a physical device, and everything is good. Okay. So right now we got like a voice recorder, we got like a new voiceMemo view, all that. But we haven't been able to actually, to play back. Okay, so actually play what we have recorded. So let's write that. So there will be the voiceMemo play view. Okay, voiceMemo play view. That's good. And there will be a swiftUI, of course. So I'm going to write that from scratch. So voiceMemo play view will be a view in here. Yeah, good. And instead of just putting a text, I'm going to say let's just have everything printed out. So I'm going to maybe add some sort of a title will be fine. So so the first thing obviously is actually going to play it. So we're going to use a state for that. Yeah, maybe I'm going to showing finder. Using Visual Studio Code to quickly get things done. So here we're going to add a state variable, and it will be a private var of a player. So basically it will be an AV audio player, and we're going to use that to play our recording. So let our voiceMemo will be initialized from voiceMemo, so it will be an instance that we can play around with, and all that is just inside the body. We don't need that. Just inside the body. I'm going to use a scroll view because the text, the transcript, the actual text will be a pretty long. So I'm going to take that in consideration. So the scroll view will be the text of voiceMemo, So basically transcribe everything here, and we have a font as well. Maybe not a font. We can have a font of I don't know, maybe there's no like a passage, maybe title 3, something like that. Of course you can just simply ignore that, but I'm going to add a padding as well. So yeah, there'll be a text in a scroll view, and you can see everything. And so basically after the text that you'll be able to show, let's have a area that is safe, that's the rest on the safe area. So basically it's like a system setting sort of area, and you can click that, you can actually play it. So it'll be like a really basic function and really important, so it won't be interfered by all this text. Okay, and I'm going to dot save area exact, and we got the edge, horizontal edge. I'm going to push that to the bottom. So bottom alignment, vertical line. So all that we don't need. In fact, we don't need. Just here, and we're going to write detail inside here. So inside here, we just have a button to play circle padding on up here. Yeah, we can actually call out stop, and we can have stop view player stop. Yeah, we can actually pause it. That's a very good thinking. So edge stack button. So you got a player and play. So the action will be like a call to play, and the label will be like a play circle, and on appear do we initialize the play, and we catch the error, and we have to stop. That's good. That's good. We can even pause that. That's very good. But there is like a crucial thing here is that we haven't been able to actually write that play. So maybe add a function here and actually got like a play, okay, and do and catch error, okay, and yeah, we got the play, and player dot stop. Yeah, we got something like a stop, so we have to write that as well. And let's modify this to make it even better. So first is the URL. So we need to like declare that. So we need to let the URL will be using URL open directory pending. What's there always like a pending pass component? A pending passing pass. We're going to voiceMemo. I got a specific title, so we can actually find it and play this by passing the URL here. We initialize that. I try if you want to play content of, and we're going to pass in the URL. Okay, and then we're going to play and catch. Fail to load your file and error localized description, so you can be helpful when you actually debug. And then all that is a very exact. Yeah, padding. Yep. I think maybe add a navigation title as well. So we get like a say very exact. I'm going to push it here and everything. Yeah, you have to be extremely careful about this thing. So maybe there is a lacking here. So the play. Yeah, maybe there is a lacking one here, and then we have to add dots. Navigation title will be the voiceMemo's title, and I believe the title would be like a UUID or something like that. Maybe using formatted date or something like that. And display mode inline. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Rest of it, the bottom we haven't like write that yet, but it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. We just need to like one function that actually working and add all other function later. And right now there's no way to actually like call that, so we're going to go back here and cannot find type in scope. Yeah, we will deal with that later. First is we need to go to the voiceMemo. Yeah, voiceMemo view. While you are going to get the text of voiceMemo, maybe here instead of doing this, I'm going to say navigation link will get you to this voiceMemo play view. Okay, so you click the text, you can go to the play view, and yeah, that will do. Missing parameters. Yeah, we need to pass in the voiceMemo. Come on, give me something. voiceMemo. Okay, voiceMemo be voiceMemo. Okay, voiceMemo. That would be good. So let's go back to the voiceMemo play view and solve the problem like this. Cannot find tab OV audio player. Import. Yeah, we need to import that. Okay, that should be nice. Closure content use with reliability. Yeah, there's like the parenthesis problem. Let me quickly debug it. Okay, a moment of truth. I use my like a real physical iPhone to test this, so I'm going to add that. and I'm going to start recording, and hopefully it will give me some results. Stop recording, and yeah, so you can actually give me a result. I'm going to start recording, and hopefully yeah, this is good, so we can confirm. Okay, and it will save using the UUID, and you can click it, and you can actually play it. That's pretty good. Let me test it out. Okay, I believe there's we can actually okay, maybe there's some sort of like a sound. I'll be able to hear it. Let me think of a way. Maybe it is playing, but I just can't hear it. Okay, obviously I am experiencing some sort of a bug, but everything else is pretty good. So the play button does not play. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to yeah, just do a quick debug, and maybe in next video I'm going to show you how this is done. Okay, so see you next video. Bye.